Forgotten username recovery failed on Wealthify Fix. If you've forgotten your Wealthify username, don't panic. Most people get this wrong by trying random guesses, but the recovery process is simpler than you think. Step 1. Go to the Wealthify login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Wealthify will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification information like your full name, recent investment activity, or the last 4 digits of your linked bank account. Wealthify support team can use this information to manually verify your identity and help you recover your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions, for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid delays. Avoid sending multiple recovery requests at once, as this can slow down the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Wealthify support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the recovery process did not work. Their team will guide you securely through the next steps. Once your username is recovered, it's smart to strengthen your account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your credentials in a secure password manager. This ensures you won't face the same problem again. Following these steps, you can regain access to your Wealthify account quickly and continue managing your investments confidently. A forgotten username is just a temporary setback that can be resolved efficiently.